Need some extra cash without the hassle? Stick around, I've got just the thing for you. Today, I'm sharing an app I've been using for the past 6 months. And yes, it actually pays. This app lets you earn real money through surveys, simple tasks, and even games. Perfect for those little pockets of free time, like commuting or just chilling at home. No, you won't become a millionaire overnight, but here's what makes it worth trying. It's free to join, you can use it anytime, anywhere, and you can choose what you want to do. And honestly, it's kind of fun, especially the games. I've been able to cash out several times and it's super reliable. You can get paid through gift cards or PayPal. Getting started is a breeze. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store, set up your profile, and you're good to go. Pro tip, log in daily, even if just for a few minutes. The more active you are, the better the rewards. Try it out, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more smart ways to make money online. See you in the next one.